Reinforcing a door against kick-ins starts with the right tools and hardware and a clear plan for anchoring into the structural framing. Begin with a drill or impact driver fitted with a set of drill bits and a driver bit set. You will need to pre-drill holes for long fasteners to prevent splitting and to make driving 3-inch screws through metal plates and into framing consistent and fast. Select 3-inch screws with coarse threads for wood studs and use stainless steel or hardened steel for corrosion resistance and shear strength. Drive them so the tip enters the stud by at least 1 1/2 inches. Use a chisel and a sharp utility knife to mortise hinge reinforcement plates and strike plates so they sit flush with the jamb and door face. Poor fit allows plates to lever under load. A hammer is needed to seat plates and to assist the chisel when tightening fit tolerances, and a punch helps drive out hinge pins if you need to replace them with non-removable pin hinges. An optional rotary tool such as a Dremel with a metal cutting wheel lets you trim small amounts of metal or timber for a precise fit without removing the door or jamb entirely. Finally, carry a small level and a tape measure to verify alignment and gap, and keep a set of longer hinge screws or retrofit hinge reinforcement plates ready to replace short factory screws immediately. The most common mistakes are relying on short factory screws that pull out of the jamb, cutting corners on plate fit so a reinforcement plate sits proud, and anchoring into the door casing instead of the structural framing. If screws are too short, swap them for 3-inch structural screws that reach the stud. Remove a hinge screw and drive a long screw through the same hole to pull the jamb tight. When plates are not flush, use a chisel to create a proper mortise so the plate bears uniformly and does not lever under load. If installers anchor into the trim or casing, remove the plate and drive screws through the jamb into the framing, or add a jack stud behind the jamb if framing access is limited. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and to share practical guides on projects like door reinforcement so people can plan and communicate requirements. Our site also hosts a discussion community where contractors and homeowners exchange tips and where contractors can find work leads.